On screen text, how to switch back to a personal account on TikTok. Narrator, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to switch from a business or creator account back to a personal account on TikTok. On screen text, step 1, open TikTok. Narrator, step 1, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure you're logged into the right account. On screen text, go to your profile. Narrator, tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. On screen text, open your profile. Narrator, you should now see your profile, including your username, bio, and videos. On screen text, tap the 3 lines. Narrator, next, tap the 3-line menu icon in the top right corner of your profile. On screen text, open Settings and Privacy. Narrator, from the menu that appears, tap Settings and Privacy. On screen text, step 2, Account Settings. Narrator, in Settings and Privacy, tap Account to open your account controls. On screen text, switch account type. Narrator, look for Switch to Personal Account or Switch Account Type, depending on your region. On screen text, tap to switch. Narrator, tap that option. TikTok will show a short message explaining what changes when you switch back. On screen text, review the message. Narrator, quickly review the message, then tap Confirm or Switch to continue. On screen text, you're now on a personal account. Narrator, that's it. Your account is now set to personal, with fewer restrictions and simpler settings. On screen text, need to switch again? Repeat these steps. Narrator, if you ever need to switch account types again, just repeat these steps. Pause and replay this video anytime you need a refresher.